students, very good evening to you all. In this video we are just introducing one more idea of the example of the square. So class, you know that the square is a two-dimensional plane figure, and it has a side, and its area is side square, and its perimeter is 4 times side. So this class has one variable int x, and I am just introducing one this called constructor just to initialize these variables x. So the x now go into the s, so the value of x is assigned to s, and now it has a functions int area. I'm making it inline functions because it is just doing a petty ordinary things like just returning the 4 times side. So this is called inline functions because I'm defining it inside the body of the class. And I have one more functions that is also inline, as name is int perimeter. And actually the perimeter naming just I'll change it just so that it should be 4 into s, and the area should be s into s because it is s square. So let me go back to the previous line and make it s into s. So area is side square and the perimeter is 4 times side. This is only it. Now I just create the main function int main object of the square ss, passing the side 12 to it, and then I'm just calling the functions directly with the help of ss. So ss dot area and cout /n perimeter equals ss dot perimeter, and both these functions are returning integer values. So now just get ch and return 0 because int main means main function should return an integer value. So this is it. Let me just save it, and I should name it as test8 test11.cpp. So now this becomes, now I alt F9, no error. Now control F9, and here it is the result. Thank you very much. Just watch to the next video.